chase seal. Nice smooth back. You gotta give me at least 5 inches.
Missing the bag. Okay.
You good? Perfect.
Yeah, no, I think that's good. I think that's really good.
So, the cord's not long enough. I'm just gonna have to lay your head down on the table and look this way. Alright. How's this look? Looks great.
No, it looks really good.
Alright. Okay. Load me up. Can you still breathe?
No.
Do you want out?
No.
I don't think it's working.
I'm just kidding. It's not working.
That's your problem right here.
That's gonna get real scary. I forgot how long it takes for that thing to actually go off.